Good afternoon guys. Almusal muna tayo with saging saba and coffee. So now we will go to Google para hanapin natin yung AI Agents Training for free sa Hugging Face. So search nyo lang AI Agents Hugging Face. So mag-sign up na kayo sa Hugging Face at just sign up dito sa course na to. Meron ditong link sa baba. Yan. So, ito yung course syllabus sa Chapter 0. Siyempre, onboarding. Chapter 1, Agent Fundamentals. Chapter 1.5, Fine-tuning an LLM. Chapter 2, Frameworks. Chapter 2.5, Agent Observability. Chapter 3, Use Cases. So, ito yung requirements. Basic knowledge of Python and basic knowledge of LLM. So, Python talaga ang laging gamit pagdating sa AI. So, dapat marunong kayo mag-Python. So, kailangan mo lang ay computer at internet connection at Hugging Face account. So, mag-sign up na kayo sa Hugging Face. And look at this, merong free certification. Nice one. Right? So, dalawa yung pwede mo makuha ng certificates for free. Ito yung pacing, kung paano ka mag-train. Recommended pace is 6 weeks. So, nandito kami yung topic na pwede mong i-take every week. And meron silang community, so sa Discord, so you can interact with the community and the authors, or you can follow them on LinkedIn, Instagram, or X. Mag-sign up lang muna tayo sa Hugging Face.
Mountains may be shaken and oceans may roll out. I'll hold on to.
So you can use AI to create your avatar as genius programmer. So taken na yung MJ008 sa palitan ko lang. Click create account. Receive the Gmail to confirm my account. Yon. Confirm. Now sign up naman tayo sa course. Okay, mga username dyan. Okay, I guess then subscribe. Yan, so ready na. Ready na tayong mag-aral ng AI agents. Advice ko lang, learn as much as you can with AI. The rules of the game has changed. I think the workforce will collapse sooner than later. So it's better that you know AI for your advantage. Yun lang. Have a great day. Until next time.